What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and today we're taking a look at this great looking bag. This is the Tonal Track barrel bag from Fred Perry. Now this bag here is made from 100% polyester. Have two carry handles so you can carry that way, or you also have a removable and adjustable shoulder strap just in case you want to switch it up and throw this over your shoulder. Nice little slip pocket up front here, and you can put all your quick access items in there. And the main compartment, which opens with a zippered closure, gives you tons of space, so you could fit a lot of things in there. And this also comes with a slip pocket on the interior and a zippered pocket on the other side there for all your smaller accessories. Now what I like most about this bag is it's not too bulky, but it has tons of space, so you could fit a lot while keeping it pretty compact. So don't miss out and get yours today. It's from Fred Perry.